talk about some women, some men. I want to talk about people that try to destroy the life of the young ones. Yes, did I mean I really emphasize what I want? People that try their best. I've said it one day that there are some men that normally like to become number one in the life of a woman, and when they even see all these small girls, they go in and destroy their life. They go in and try to damage them. You know why I'm talking like this is because of Facebook. Then why am I saying this? A man told me about how a married woman, now can be first in her life. Her mom sent her there to do to go for an errand, and what the woman will always do is to begin to harass the boy until he got him. He got the guy. He's a small boy, a boy of 15 years. How will you feel when somebody they do such a thing to your own son? Yes, the man came and gave me this voice note and told me, my dear, that he's always afraid of anybody staying with his own children because of the experience he got when he normally go to a woman's house. Matured woman sleeps with anything. Teach him how to do everything. Teach him how to do her. This guy become experts. That is why when you go out on the road, sorry to say this, it's our sons that will be coming after you. Oh, mommy, where are you going? Once they are talking to you, look at them, you know what they want. They want to make money, and they want to be sleeping with their mom. And somebody like me will look at you and say, you want your mom? Says, you don't have sense. You don't have sense. If you are coming across my video, you are watching me, this is a reality. This is what is happening. You're a young boy. You cannot make money. Your life will not. Your life will go yeah. You go just yeah. Your life, because of that kind of life, you may not make money. These are the things that brings a man down. When you know a married woman, it's up to be your mom. Even if it's not up to be your mom, a married woman, and you want to go and be having intercourse with the married woman. Even the young girls, focus on what you are doing. Focus. Does it mean that there are no people that know Christ again? Must all of us? I need laga water. I need laga water. Must we? I got water my people wine they can dara. Mind you, the same thing with young girls. I'm happy I got say, yeah, she got daddy. It didn't destroy your life. Remember his curse. Curse only a canko. The curse from the mother, the wife, the curse from the children, curse from God. Yes. And it also abomination in your land. All these causes, when you put hand in something, it will not move. I did not mean that when things is not moving for you, that is really your sin. But sometimes your sin is the reason. Are you okay? Have you checked yourself? You know there is different ways of evil for about evil mad. You know, she get them money, baby. You know, she not again for you about somebody. You kills. All these things they say, I am on a setting mad back from who you are, from what you want to do. Please change today, and it will be well.